Here's a little update. We are underway off Rangitoto. Everybody's on board. Wicked evening. Well, not everybody, but Nana's not here yet.
Lost a cardiologist.
Very nice conditions out here, as you can see.
Perfect conditions.
Sadly.
First fish has already been landed.
Yeah, that's true. We've got one little carway on board, but there's not much wind, so we've got the sails up. We've also got the engine on because we need to get into Ofanaki before dark. Right, this is Friday morning. It's about 7:30 and wicked day, nice night, no problems, a few too many drinks, but everybody's up and ready to go. Heading round to Matiatia. We are in Ofanaki, heading to pick up Nana, hopefully. Rolling again. We are Friday morning, about 9 something, underway down the northern face of Waiheke. Matt's having a sleep. Paul's on the helm. We're doing about 5 to 5.5 knots.
Time is 11:15, 25th of May, and we are on a direct bearing towards our destination this evening, which is
Takun.
a gullwing rig running, much to the delight
And
of Paul
hangover running.
and a couple of raging hangovers.
Right, let's check out this gullwing rig. Paul's particularly proud of this. He was up the sharp end of things when we decided to put the pole up. So we've got a sail out either side, heading pretty much directly downwind.
No, I think he's given up on it.
It's Brendan down below trying to do business. Checking in with the boss. He's checking in with the boss. We're not sure if he's talking work or home.
He's taking a video. Yeah, I'm being recorded being.
So we are in the back of Double Island, isn't it? This place for one other boat. Getting some bait ready for some fishing. Matt's preparing part of our lunch.
You haven't got a sinker on the end of yours, have you?
No, if you get, I've got one in my kit though. It's just a little clip on.
It's Saturday morning. We've woken up in a bay on the other side of Whanganui Island. It's looking north. Very nice calm night in here. Very still. A couple of other boats in here, but they've gone. Lazy Nana in bed, everybody else is up. He's feeling sick.
I'm up. It's just.
First piece of toast with a distinctive burn pattern on it. Is anybody an arson investigator?
And here we have Queenie, still in bed.
Ready?
Yep, go.
Right.
No, didn't pick it up. It's too black.
That's wicked, eh?
Yeah, that is wicked.
See it.
Right, here we are, way home.
7.9.
Duncan's on the helm. Got a bird up here hanging out.
Shit.
Duncan reckons he got us up to 7.9 just then. Good speed.
The two guys that wanted to be back in the cove having their cup of tea, and look at us.
We just got some footage of breakfast going on down here. Who's that? We're on a bit of a lean out here. Highlight of the trip?
Big fish.
Big fish.
Water fish that big. I'm
Right.
really happy with that.
Highlight of the trip.
Yep.
Seeing Fats have a worse hangover than me on day one.
Matt, highlight of the trip?
Recovering from the hangover.
And Nana, who's been diligently filleting fish the entire way back.
Look at the fish. Get some of that
The
fish in
trip
there.
was getting to cook you guys bacon and eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, well done. That's a goal.
That's good, yes. 9.3. Yeah, that has to be my highlight of the trip. Getting the speed record. I did steal the helm at the